Okay, guys, let's do this one quickly. So we are expected to find the value of angle x. Okay, let us look at our question. Okay, they're saying BD is equal to BA, so BD is equal to BA. If these sides are equal, we know that the base angles will also be equal. Therefore, this angle and this angle will be equal. Okay. I also want us to talk about a new theorem. We've talked about the tan-cot theorem. Okay, let us talk about the angles in the same segment. Ne? Angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. Say we have a circle here, and then in it we have a shape like this, right? And say we have a chord here, right? If this is angle y, this will also be angle y, right? You can see that this angle y here is subtended. If this is a and this is b, is subtended by a chord AB or the same arc AB, right? If we look at this triangle as well, you can see that it's subtended also by chord AB or arc AB. Therefore, the two angles are equal. The reason is angles in the same segment, right? Angles in the same segment. So if we look at this one, the first angle we can calculate, we have a tangent and then we have a chord. We can use the tan-cot theorem. You know, we put our fingers on either side of the chord and then we slide. If this is 63 degrees, therefore B is also 63 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equals to 63 degrees. What is the reason? Tan-cot theorem. You know that the tan-cot theorem says the angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment, right? So this is 63 degrees, right? Okay. Since well we said these two angles are equal, let's say this is y and this will also be y. Then we can calculate for y, right? We know that 63 degrees plus y is equals to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Angles of a triangle, right? Therefore, we will have a 2y is equals to 180 degrees less 63. This is 117. 2y, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, and then it says y is equals to 58.5 degrees. Y is equals to 58.5 degrees. So this angle here, 58.5, also here is 58.5 degrees, right? If this angle is 58.5 degrees, we have talked about angles in the same segment. This is a chord, this is a chord. It divides, so a chord divides the circle into two segments. This will be the minor segment, and this will be the major segment, right? So if we look at chord BA or AB, you can see this is the minor segment, this is the minor segment, and this is the major segment. You can see that these angles are in the same segment and they are subtended by the same chord AB or by the same arc AB, right? Therefore, these two angles are equal. Therefore, angle D is equal to X. What is the reason? Angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. Therefore, X is equals to 58.5 degrees. Thank you.